Hey y'all, so let's jump right in. I'm gonna go in with this stocking cap, and then I'm gonna go in with this powder from LA Colors. Okay, and I'm gonna just put that pretty much all in the center area of this hair, because I will be having a middle part in. That's pretty much how big the lace closure is, and you just want to pretty much put that all over, you know, just as much as the lace is, like the width and the length of the lace of whatever you're putting onto your head. Okay, sis, if that makes sense. Okay, and so yeah, I just pretty much do this and just blend it on out, and it looks a little bit like this. And this is a wig that I showed you guys in my last videos that I will be linking in the cards for you guys and down below. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on like you just saw me doing. You just put it on your head and adjust it as so. I'm gonna go in with these clamps just to pin my hair back at the front to be able to get these baby hairs intact. I mean, you know, baby hairs are pretty optional. I didn't even really need no baby hairs with this, but I just love them. So yeah, I just did a little bit of baby hairs, and I'm gonna go in with this got to be glued gel and just gel them on down. Now you guys, you can use this, you know, once you do the baby hairs, it's able to make your wig more secure, because once you tie it down like you finna see me do now, and you know, once you put that got to be glued and you go in with that freeze spray and you just tie your hair down, you know, your wig gonna stay on. Like, it ain't gonna move around and all of that stuff. So yeah, it's pretty secure once you take the scarf off and everything like that, and it does look very blended and that's very looking good. So that's pretty it for this video. Very simple, very quick. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl's channel for more content, sis, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.